This is a Unirac quick tip on module installation for SFM Infinity. At this point, you should have completed the layout, flashings, sliders, and installed the trim rail. Start by clicking micro rails into the sliders across the row of attachments that will support the north side of the modules. Be careful not to push down on the cap so that it remains in the top position. Starting on one side of the south row, place the south edge of the module onto the trim rail and module clips. Then lower the north edge of the module, allowing it to rotate towards the roof. As the north edge of the module reaches the height of the micro rail, slide the micro rail forward, seating it against the module frame to support the module. Check to confirm that both north and south edges of the module are fully seated. Now, just adjust the micro rail caps. Simply push down on the south or module side of the cap. This causes the cap to separate from the grooves in the base, drop to contact the module, then re-engage to the base at the correct height. Check to confirm that the cap is engaged in the right grooves. Repeat this process to install the second module, then install a splice at the intersection of the modules. Just slide them into the north edge of the module and adjust the cap the same way as the micro rail. Splices don't have to be installed exactly centered. Just make sure both module edges land within the engagement marks. Now install the rest of the modules across the row and tighten the fasteners on the splices and micro rails. On the micro rails, work from the top down, tightening the clamps first, then the side dovetail bolt. While tightening, confirm that there is no gap between the cap and the module frame.